Oh!
I'm up in the middle of the night trading weird hours again. Just got some cumulative delta reversal arrows up here. Had point of control up into this wick. Started kind of going sideways till this candle with the reversal. Got some nice delta coming in there. I got into a short looking for a pullback to the 20, which we just got. Had some ADX divergence on the ES 5-minute back here. Nice little pop up. I've got a chart with the new volume profile indicator that I made. See, this is a previous day value area high or low. Extended all the way to the right side of the screen. We came right up to that area earlier, had a nice rejection. I've got the top 10 imbalance levels for the past couple of days on the chart. Looks like there's a big cluster up here. These will change as new, stronger imbalances come in. Just got into a short. We had some divergence building up, point of control in this wick. Another cumulative delta arrow. We had cumulative delta candle outlines turning red. Bearish ADX. We had divergence on this previous 5-minute ES candle. And we were up here at value area high. Had some decent delta coming in. Grabbed a short. Stacking micros in the middle of the night. Trading the afternoon session. It's 2:30. I got into a short here. We had cumulative delta arrow. Delta diamond, we had some divergence, a lot of negative delta compared to the last 5 candles, but then it pulled back. We get some bullish ADX, bullish delta. I got a little hesitant and I got out just for 2 or 3 points, I think, but it ended up working out. Just came down to VWAP. We got some bearish ADX here on the NQ 5-minute and ES 5-minute and broke lower on the next candle. I changed the ADX colors on this chart to the cyan and hot pink, like the 1-minute chart. The color schemes are the same across the board now. I did put this delta push template on the WHOP store, minus these chart buttons since I haven't released the chart buttons yet. Getting a nice bounce off of VWAP. We had some bullish delta as we were coming down, and then some divergence as we were coming down, and the cumulative delta outline was still green. If I wasn't busy talking, might have taken that trade. Just popped up over 15 points right to the 20 SMA, getting a little rejection at the 20. It's just after 4 now. I'm going to be done for the day, ending with a small red day. Definitely tempted to take some more trades and try to get back into the green, but just going to take the small loss. I got caught up in my short bias. I got into a short at the S1 pivot. It was going completely against everything that my charts were saying. We had already come up to the S1 pivot once, rejected. Second attempt, we broke through. We came right up to the London Open and rejected on the 60-minute. I thought about holding on to it and adding on when we got up to this next area key levels. If I would have done that, it would have been okay, but trying to take it easy in the funded Apex account, and one of these take profit trader accounts is just $200 from passing and becoming funded as well, so just keeping it chill. It's definitely been harder trading the off hours and not trading the New York Open. There's just so many more opportunities in the New York Open, but for whatever reason on the West Coast, my body always wants to sleep during those hours, and I've definitely been prioritizing health over anything else. These take profit trader accounts are still the best deal out there, I think. 40% off, no activation fee. Anyone that's out there using code MonkeyMan is the absolute best. Thanks so much for your support. Also, the WHOP store, they finally went back to their roots. Things are much easier to find. Everything's working good again. They had a lot of feedback from people complaining about how hard it was to find things and download things. So if you go into your user area now for, say, the Ultimate Delta, here's the introduction. You can go in and watch the introduction video for all the parameters and available settings. There's also a link to the playlists and some other helpful tips on finding some ideas on how to use it. There's your import and authorization instructions in PDF format. There's the link to download the actual indicator. Here's the important info on authorization and how to contact me. And here's a video that outlines the detailed steps needed to import and authorize an indicator. Same thing if you go into your user area for the trend and reversal indicator or any other indicator. There's introduction videos for all the indicators. There's the import authorization instructions. There's the indicator download. Everything is super easy to find. On the store, they went back to their original website as well. Got all the indicators listed here. You can watch the introduction video with the parameters. You can select any of these different indicators to learn more. You can scroll down to see the features, reviews, information about MonkeyMan trades, the FAQ. You can sign up to be an affiliate. So everything's much easier to use now. This is how it was when I first signed up with them over a year ago. So I'm very happy that they finally went back to their old website. I appreciate you taking the time to tune in. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.